Hi there, I'm now going to show you how to add materials and resources to the classwork tab. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to classwork up at the top here, and this is where we can post resources and assignments for homework. First thing I'm going to do is create topics. Topics are really useful for organising the information you're putting on. So in here, when I go to create, on the plus sign here, I've got the option for assignments, a quiz assignment, questions. You can just post a question to the class if you're looking for a quick answer. You can post material. You can reuse posts. So if you post something for a class last year, you can reuse it for the class this year. But the first thing I'm going to do is create some topic headings. So I'm going to click on topic, and the first topic heading I'm going to create is help. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put resources in here that can help you when you're working from home. So you can see here it creates a heading, help. If I click on the three dots, I can rename it, I can delete it, I can copy it. I'm also going to create another topic, and I'm going to call it useful links. And I'm going to add that topic as well. So you can see here I've now got a help topic and a useful links topic. I can drag and I can drop and I can move these topics. So if I want to move something to the top to make it more visible to the pupils, you can move and drag and drop. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the video tutorial that I made previously on showing you how to set up a class, and I'm going to put that video tutorial into the create. So I'm going to go to create, I'm going to go to material, and I'm going to call this video tutorials. Or even better, I'm going to call it Google Classroom video tutorials. And I can add as many video tutorials into that title as I want later on. And I want it to go into the help topic, so I just select that over here. I only want it to go into this classroom, but if you wanted it to post in a couple of classrooms, you can tick as many classrooms as you want in here. If you don't want it to go to all students, you maybe only want it to go to certain students in there, you can just select the students you want it to go to. You can give it a description as well, but you don't have to. And all I'm going to do then is I'm going to go to add. I want to add it from my Google Drive because that folder is the easiest to add from. Once it loads, it will open up the most recent things I've been working on. So I've just been working on that video for the teachers to set up a Google Classroom. So here is the video here. I can also go and I can search through the folders from my Google Drive if it's in a different place, or you can upload from your computer directly. So if I was to click on the upload button, I could go to select files from your device, and you could then upload the files from your actual computer. But luckily what I've just been working on is in recent, so I'm going to select teacher setup and I'm going to add that in. So there's that video added in, and I'm going to go to post. If I don't want to post this straight away, I can go to schedule and I can schedule that, and I can set a time that I would want it to post at. So if I wanted it to post in a week's time or a day's time, you can set the date and the time. Or you can just save it as a draft, which would mean it would go into your materials, but it would just be blanked out until you made it available. But for now, I'm going to post. And you can see there, I've now got the title, Google Classroom Video Tutorials. And if I click on here, there is the video that I added. I can also add useful links. So I can create material, same again. And this time I'm going to call this Google Help Center. And I'm going to add the link for the Google Help Center. So if I go to add link, I already have that saved, and I just copy and paste the link in. And I'm going to go to add link. So this is the Google website to help you with any issues you have on Google Classroom. And I'm going to post that topic under useful links. And I'm going to go to post. So you can see now the link for the Google website has added under here. What you can do later is you can click on the 3 buttons at the side if you want to edit anything. Or if I want to add more material, I can go to edit and I can add more videos. So the next video, once I'm finished it, I'm going to upload and I'm going to put into this title here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip to the student view so that you can see what it looks like from the student view. So you can see here on the student view on my stream, it says that my stream was updated. So if I go to show, you can see here that the 2 resources that I just posted have posted into the stream. So pupils will be able to click on those links and they will be able to see what you have posted. But also they have the classwork tab up at the top here and they have the 2 resources that I've just added here as well. So it looks pretty much the same up until this point on the teacher view and on the pupil view. So if I come back to the teacher view, you can then add lots more resources into each section as and when you want it. It will also post on your streamers here. So classwork, create, material, and you can create other titles and you can add more resources. What's quite useful maybe is each topic, is each unit of work you have. This option is just for resources. So this is static resources that pupils can use, they can view. They cannot edit and they cannot reply. The only way they can reply to you is in the stream. If they have a question, they can write something about the resources in here. What I'm going to show you next is how to assign assignments, which is like setting homework